NDMA has warned of heavy rains and flooding across Pakistan from August 23rd to 30th. Over 798 people have died so far in rain-related incidents this monsoon season. 3 powerful rain systems are expected to hit various regions, bringing downpours, flash floods, and landslides. Authorities are on high alert and urge people to follow safety guidelines.
कारितास पाकिस्तान की मुल्तान की सारी टीम के साथ दरिया सतलज की में सैलाब आने की वजह से बहुत सारे एरियाज़ जो हैं वो मुतासर हुए हैं। इस वक्त हम जो खड़े हैं वो डेरा बखा की 2 बस्तियाँ हैं, लाला डेरा और लुध बस्ती लुध। और जैसे आप देख रहे हैं मेरे पीछे से सारे घर इसके अंदर आए हुए हैं और इन घरों के अंदर बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो मुतासर हुए हैं।
In Gilgit-Baltistan, relentless monsoon rains, glacial lake outbursts, gloss, and cloudbursts have caused widespread destruction. A state of emergency was declared across 37 affected areas. Moreover, a recent mudslide in Danier tragically killed 7 volunteers who were repairing drainage channels damaged by a GLOF. Infrastructure throughout the region has been severely affected. In Gilgit district, floods damaged power plants, bridges, and the expressway, while Naltar Valley lost multiple power stations, cutting electricity to thousands. Entire homes, bridges, and even parts of highways were swept away, isolating towns and commuters and disrupting communication and power networks. Caritas Pakistan's emergency response teams are actively on the ground, visiting the most affected communities across both southern and northern Punjab. They are conducting thorough needs assessments, speaking directly with families who have lost homes, crops, or livelihoods.